What if I told you that you can convert your Word document into a professional PDF in just a few seconds without downloading any extra software? Whether you want to send notes, resumes, projects, or office files, PDFs keeps your formatting safe and looks professional on every device. In this video, I will show you the fastest and easiest ways to convert a Word document into PDF step by step in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. So friend, here you can see that this is my Word document, and here I'm going to convert this Word document into PDF. Okay. So simply click on this file tab, which is available over here, and then here you can convert this file by two methods. Okay. So first thing first, here you will select on this print option, and then you simply select here, and then you will see lots of option. You simply click on this Microsoft print to PDF option. Okay. Then simply click on this print file, right? So what happened? This document is asking me to save. Okay. So here I'm going to save this file as a PDF. Okay. So Word doc1. So this file is saved on my desktop. So let's see. So friend, here you can see that my Word document is converted into PDF. Okay. Now I'm going to share with you another example how you can save your Word document to PDF, right? So simply, this is Microsoft Word 2024, and this method will applicable in Microsoft 2016 to every latest version. Okay. So here simply click on this file, and then you will click on this save as, and then click on this browse option. And now we are going to save this document on my desktop, Word doc2. Okay. And here we are going to save as type. You simply click on it and then select PDF. And now you will see this save button. You simply click on it, and your Word document will save as a PDF. Okay. Let's see that document. Okay, so here you will see that it is automatically open Word document to PDF over here. So friend, you can see very high quality PDF is generated by Microsoft Word. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily convert your Word document to PDF. So friend, if this video helped you, please click on like button and subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.